Hey, happy fall everyone. So, we are into assignment 4 and our topic is Azure Cognitive Service. Cognitive services are a set of machine learning algorithms that Microsoft has developed to solve problems in the field of artificial intelligence. The goal of cognitive service is to democratize AI by packaging it into discrete components that are easy for developers to use in their own apps. Today we are working with Microsoft Azure. Under it we are using the Customer Vision Service. Basically, Customer Vision Service is a cloud-enabled tool for easily training, deploying, and improving your custom image classifier. With just a handful of images per category, developer can train their own image classifier in minutes through a simple upload. Today's agenda is we will creating a new project. We will be training the images. We will be checking on the performance of the um, image classifier, and then we will be predicting, and then we will be challenging the image classifier model. So this is our timeline. First, creating a new project, then training the images, then the performance, then the prediction, and then the challenge. Creating a new project. So basically we log in into our Microsoft. If we have a Microsoft Azure account, we are easily able to open the custom vision service, and therein we create a new project as shown in the screenshot below, wherein I have written the name as assignment 4, and the resource I have used is chairs, and the project type is classification type is multi-label, and the domain is general. Herein, first step is to train the images, wherein we upload the images and assigning each images to a label, to a tag. So herein, we first we create the tags, and then we just upload the images and mention the tags in which it has to do. So as you can see in the images, I have uploaded 888 pictures in every tag. Performance. So when we test our visual model, then this is the result which we have got, wherein 62.5% is the precision, 62.5% is the recall, and 88.7% is the AP, and you can see the performance per tag too, how much each tag performed in this vision service. So, for checking the prediction, to test a trained model, we need to test a trained model, and I chose the chair. I thought about testing the chair, and wherein I clicked this image, and I just copied this image into the test environment, which I will show in the live demo later in this part. However, this was the result. AI was successfully able to detect the image as chair. As you can see, I also entered into the Google as chair only, and I got this image. Reason being, it has long leg. You can see, we can easily find 4 legs long leg. Small sitting area. Yeah, it has a small sitting area and a small back area. And so basically this chair has some durable material covering every part, and the main highlight of it is the back, and the seat is at 90 degrees each, and this is the main qualities of chair. If I think everyone agrees, because in the office chair, be it the office chair, be it the sofa, there is a little inclination, and it's not at the 90-degree, and ottoman, yeah, doesn't have this backrest area. So this is the prediction which was hold true, and you can see the different probabilities mentioned here. And then going to the next slide, yeah, herein again I challenged the image classifier. I uploaded a baseball pic into the test, and it predicted as Ottoman, simply because one, it has no legs. Second, like I mentioned, it has no backrest. Ottoman doesn't has a backrest area. Third, it's a small oval shape, and it's very similar to Ottoman. Ottoman generally are in square shape or in circle shape, but yeah, oval shape, we can easily classify it as Ottoman. And then yeah, a very small height. The height of this baseball pick is very small. In general, the baseball is very small. Yeah, so that's why 78% was given to the Ottoman. In the previous picture, 26% was given to the image as a chair, but this time AI gave 78% as this to baseball. And then going forward, I uploaded a rose flower. Interesting, rose flower in the types of chair vision service I made, and it predicted as sofa. When I thought about this, there were four reasons which came in my mind. The first one is the color. If I see this is a pink color, vibrant, and it gives a feeling of a cushion-like appearance, and sofas generally do have cushion. So a sofa, what makes a sofa is cushion. And then a similar frame, it means a large area, uh, large area, large um, clothing and everything. So large, similar frame. So far design driven, yeah, everyone agrees. Whenever we buy a sofa, it's very much we also buy a sofa considering the design of the sofa, and yeah, rose flower, everyone knows it can be used for design purposes and desirable look. For rose, I don't have to justify the desirable look, but yeah, for sofa, yes, desirable look. Everyone like to purchase a rose, and I think everyone has purchased a rose once in his in his or her lifetime. So it is a desirable look. So going to the live demo here now. This is the customer vision account which I created. This is the assignment which I have created. Assignment 4. We will click on this and see. Here you can see the tags here. This is the images which I uploaded. You can see it's a mix of everything. I tagged them. Then there was this performance result you can see, and see multi-label, multiple tags per image, and you can see. And then we predict, when I look at the prediction, yes, I can found my three images here: rose, baseball, chair. And um, when we click on this, yeah, you can see the probability of each and every chair for a particular image. Like for this one, sofa has 46.5%, followed by office chair 18.4%, and then this one, which is Ottoman, 78.8%. And yeah, surprisingly, yeah, sofa is 0.3%, because yeah, we also know this can't be a sofa. So AI was correct, damn correct in this thing, that is sofa. And then this chair, wherein AI also got little confused, but yeah, I think it's because of the image which I selected. The image I selected is mixed. It's can confuse a normal human being also, whether it's a chair or whether it's a sofa. But yeah, even the AI was correct, and the Google search which I did for the chair, the image is in the chair itself. So yeah, this is the chair. Okay, let me just show you a quick test of how it works, and we will just go with this chair only right now, and we will just paste it here. Ta-dang! And here we go. The result will be here. It's saying 26.5% chair. Or we can go to browse local files, and we can select a baseball here. We can open here, and it will come as Ottoman at 78.8%. So this is how I challenged and I made my customer vision here. And going back to the presentation, yep, Thank you for the time. Thank you for the assignment. My name is Shajin Korean, and my roll number is 2004891128. Thank you so much.